Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can create Tumblr posts from Airtable rows, and especially we have written no coding required. So what we are going to do here, first we are going to create a new record in our Airtable. From there, the details of that Airtable database will go to our Tumblr account and automatically a new post will be created on our Tumblr account. Now it is very useful for people who are not able to go to their Tumblr account daily, or who cannot access their Tumblr account and who do not want to share password of their Tumblr account to anyone. What they can do is they can just integrate Airtable with Tumblr account, and somebody else can fill in the information, or I should say the post information in Airtable, and automatically that post will be online or your Tumblr account without sharing your ID and password of Tumblr. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Airtable and Tumblr together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that and press enter, we will be redirected to the screen here, and you will see that we will have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in directly. Signing up is also very easy. It will only take you 2 minutes to do that, and signing up will also give you 100 free tasks from our side every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in here, and then I will click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And now what we are going to do, you can see we have all the automations here. Now I'm just going to click on create workflow, and I will give my workflow a name. So now I'm going to give it the name, and I am going to name it Airtable to Tumblr. Now I am connecting these two applications. That is why I am giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. So I will just click on create, and after clicking on create, you will see I will have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening in trigger? We are having a record created in our Airtable. So we will go for a new record in view. Then we will click on connect. Now we will go for add new connection, and it will ask us for the token. So from where we are going to get the token, we have to follow this instruction here. We have to log into the Airtable and get our API key from account section. So we will go here in our Airtable account, then we will go to account section, and from here we are going to get the API key. So here you can see, just copy the API key, go back and paste it here. Click on save, and as soon as you are going to click on save, you will see that our Airtable account will be connected to our Pabbly Connect account, and now it is asking us for the base. So here you can see the base is Airtable to Tumblr. So we are just going to choose Airtable to Tumblr. It will automatically take the table name, which is table 1, and it will automatically take the view name, which is grid view, because we are using grid view here. And now trigger field. Now what is this trigger field? Whenever you want to send your data from Airtable to any other application, first you have to create a trigger field, because this trigger field will be responsible for sending the data from Airtable to another application. And how you are going to create a trigger field, you can see, to create a field in your table, you have to just go to new field, where you have to go for this field created time, and then you can just use that to transfer data from Airtable to any other application. Now here you have been given the instructions on how to do that. I'm just going to do it for you directly. So here I'm going to go to my Airtable account, and here you can see I will go for this, and here I have to search for created time. So let me see, this is created time, and here you can name your field. So I can just name it trigger field. Okay, click on create field, and as soon as your new field will be created, now whatever the post and whatever the post content you're going to post here will be taken in your Pabbly Connect account, But for that, you need to select your created field here. So you will just refresh it. And here you can see automatically it has taken your trigger field. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put here our data. So the data is what is Pabbly Connect. Okay, this is the title. And this is the answer. Pabbly Connect provides you the ability to integrate multiple applications by managing the data flow smoothly. You can connect 2 or more apps and get the repetitive tasks done through automation, and that too without depending on developers and any coding work. Okay. Now, whenever I'm going to click here on save and send test request, you will see a new response will come here, and the new response will be the data which I have inserted in my Airtable. You can see what is Pabbly Connect, and this is the description, or this is the content of the post. Now our first step of connecting our Airtable to our to our Pabbly Connect is complete. Now we are going to connect our Pabbly Connect with our Tumblr account. So we will go for Tumblr here, and after that it will ask us for the action event. So what we are going to, we have all the options of Tumblr: create text post, photo, audio, link, quote. So I am creating a text post. So I will go for text post. I will click on connect, add new connection, connect with the Tumblr, and then it will ask you for the authorization. Just give it the authorization. And let me just tell you again that your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and you do not have to worry about your data. Blog is Pabbly, title, content. So what is title and what is content? Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window and it will let me put the data here in this window. So title will be what is Pabbly Connect, and content, I'm going to map in my content. Pabbly Connect provides you the ability and the remaining portion of the text. Okay, format is HTML. If you want to put any tags, you can put tags. It is completely up to you. We do not have any URL or something else, so we are not going to use anything else now. Let's just click on save and send test request, and here you can see the response has been received. Meta message has been created. So we will go to Tumblr, and you can see this is my last post. Now as soon as I will click on a refresh, you can see here what is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect provides you the ability to integrate multiple applications by managing the data flow smoothly. You can connect 2 or more apps and get the repetitive tasks done. Okay, so our automation is successful now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to test this automation. So let me just go and make another entry here. So let us just put here lion definition. Okay, this is just a random title, and this is the text. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. It has muscular, deep-chested body, and something more is written in this text format. So this is the next addition in our record. Now what will happen? Data from Airtable will go to Tumblr, and when you will be refreshing it, it may be possible that your data will come here within seconds, or your data will come here within minutes, because whenever we are sending the data from Airtable to any other application, we are using a trigger which is called polling. And because of polling trigger, the data from one application to other application will go in some time. So it takes some time, and we are going to wait for some time to have our data here. And I am going to show you when my data comes here. So let us just wait for the data and let's see. It's 12:33 right now. Okay, so let's just see in how much time we are going to have our data. And as you can see, we have our next post here, lion definition. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera and something, something, something. And here you can see the timing is 12:36. So it took about 2 minutes, because this post was at 12:33, and after that I created another record on our Airtable database. So I think that would have taken 30-40 seconds, and that is why I'm saying according to 12:36 p.m. this post has taken about 2 minutes to come from Airtable to Tumblr, just because of the trigger polling. Okay, so do not worry about your data. Your data will absolutely come to your Tumblr blog, whenever you are going to automate it with Airtable, you just have to wait. Do not panic about it. Okay. So this is our automation, and our automation is now successful, where I have told you how you can create a new record in your Airtable database, which will in turn create a new text post in your Tumblr account. Now, if you want to clone this workflow into your account, and if you want to use it, you can just go to my description box and clone it directly into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, my friend, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.